Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphazan's Tech. Today's update is one of the biggest Accenture hiring updates because Accenture has opened 3 different fresher and early career opportunities at the same time. Whether you're interested in web development, artificial intelligence, or non-coding operations, this video has something for you. So stay till the end because I'll explain every role, who can apply, required skills, and finally tell you where you'll find the official application links. Let's begin. Role 1, Web Developer Associate. The first opening is Web Developer Associate. This position is based in Mumbai and is part of Accenture's marketing operations team. The role focuses on developing HTML email templates, supporting digital marketing campaigns, solving technical issues, and working with web applications. The required technical skills include HTML, CSS, adaptability, problem-solving ability, and quick learning. Knowledge of email campaign creation is preferred, while familiarity with Microsoft Office and Outlook is considered an additional advantage. This role may also require rotational shifts depending on the project. Now let's discuss the eligibility, because this is the most important part. For the Web Developer Associate position, candidates from any graduation background can apply. For the Trust and Safety New Associate role, any graduate candidates are also eligible. For the AI/ML Computational Science Associate role, the required qualifications are B.Tech or MCA. Fresh graduates and candidates with up to 1 year of experience are encouraged to apply for the AI/ML position. So depending on your educational background, you can choose the role that best matches your profile. Role 2, Trust and Safety New Associate. Now let's move to the second opening. This is Trust and Safety New Associate located in Bengaluru. In this role, you'll review user-generated content like text, images, audio, and videos while ensuring they follow platform policies. The company is looking for candidates with strong communication skills, attention to detail, analytical thinking, adaptability, and the ability to make objective decisions. One important point mentioned by Accenture is that this role may involve reviewing sensitive online content, so emotional resilience and professionalism are important. The role may also include rotational shifts. Role 3, AI/ML Computational Science Associate. Now comes the most exciting role for technical candidates. Accenture is hiring AI/ML Computational Science Associates in Bengaluru. This role is ideal for candidates interested in artificial intelligence, automation, Python development, cloud, and data engineering. The company expects candidates to have knowledge of Python programming, object-oriented programming, SQL, data structures, REST APIs, Git, and software development lifecycle. Knowledge of Django, Flask, FastAPI, Pandas, NumPy, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP will provide an additional advantage. Freshers with internship projects or academic experience in Python are highly encouraged to apply. So today's Accenture update includes 3 excellent opportunities. Web Developer Associate, Trust and Safety New Associate, AI/ML Computational Science Associate. Choose the role according to your qualification and skills and apply as early as possible because hiring timelines can change without notice. I've added all the official application links along with our complete Accenture hiring playlist in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I post daily verified IT job updates of campus drives, assessment updates, and GenAI career opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to comment Accenture.